Hi, hello, welcome to the second semester and welcome to Google Classroom also. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the area and perimeter of a plane figure. So in earlier classes, we discussed more geometrical chapters in semester 1, and in your last 8th class also I teach how to find the area and perimeter of given triangle by using Arens formula. Here also it is continuing the portion. So that's why it is I think it is very useful for what you learn in 8th standard. So in today's class we are going to find out the perimeter and the area of the given triangle. So before that, what is meant by perimeter? Perimeter is the length of a boundary of the given figure. So if you add all the lengths of the boundaries of the figure means then you will get the perimeter. And what is meant by area means, so the area is enclosed within the perimeter boundary. So within the boundary, the area is enclosed by the boundary is called the area of given figure. So moreover that, in today's class we are going to discuss about the triangles means. So area of triangle. So we know that what is the formula for finding area of triangle? Of into base into height. Of into base into height. Of B into H. Normally, if they are given triangle like this means ABC, BC is the base means, so AD is this is the height, this is base of the triangle, base of the triangle. So according to the base, we have to consider the opposite vertex to draw a line segment, that is called. Next, if they are given three sides, Arens formula. What is Arens formula for finding area of triangle? Area of triangle is equal to root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where A comma B comma C are sides of triangle. S is semi-perimeter. So how to find perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2S is equal to, you should add all the lengths of the triangle. If you want to find semi-perimeter means S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So this is very important in this one. So by using Arens formula we are going to solve some problems on finding area of triangle and finding the perimeter also of given triangle. Here also special types of triangles are there. So if you take special types of triangle, first one equilateral. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. How to find area? Area of triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 side square A square. So if you take next one, right angle, area of right angle triangle is equal to half into, what is right angle? Triangle means one of the angle of the triangle must be equal to 90 degree. So 90 degree included sides. half into product of 90 degree included sides. AB into BC. This included sides of 90 degree. AB and BC are included sides of 90 degree. If you want to find area of right angle triangle means half into AB into BC. This are the included sides of 90 degree. And here in equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. That's why in special case by using this also you can find out the area. Suppose if they are given directly means you can use directly, go to this formula and find the answer. Area of triangle root 3 by 4 into side square for equilateral triangle. One more is that for isosceles triangle. Here I am writing the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Area of triangle is equal to the half into b into 4 a square minus b square, where a is equal side. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. That A represent equal sides. Then B represent base. B represent base of the given length of the base. Length of the base. So normally we are using to going to the formula area of triangle is half into base into height. If you go Arens formula, whether they are given three sides length, so area of triangle is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is semi-perimeter. How to find semi-perimeter? A plus b plus c by 2, s value. So special types of triangles are there. If it are given equilateral triangle, how to find out area of equilateral triangle means root 3 by 4 into side square. If you they are given right angle triangle means how to find area of right angle triangle means half into 90 degree included sides, that means AB into BC. Half into product of 90 degree included sides. This is right angle triangle. If you go for isosceles triangle, area of isosceles triangle is equal to half into B into root of 4a square minus b square, where a is equal sides length, b is length of the base. So next we are coming to the problems part. In the first problem they are given find the area of a triangle where sides length are 18 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 30 centimeter. So if they are given A 18 centimeter, B 24 centimeter, C 30 centimeter means first you have to find semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C divided by 2. 18 plus 24 plus 30 divided by 2, that is 18 plus 24 42, 42 plus 30 72 divided by 2, 2 3s are 2 6s are. What is semi-perimeter? That is 36 centimeter. So using Arens formula, find area of triangle. So what is the area of triangle? S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Using formula, Arens formula. So that is S value is how much? 36. 36 minus 18. A value I am consider 18. 36 minus B value 24. 36 B value 30. Then 36 into In 36, 18 will goes means 18. 36, 24 will goes means 12. 36, 30 will goes means 6. So if you go on multiplying and find out in square root is very difficult for you. For that's why in the last semester, last 8th class I teach how to take the factors for given number. If they are given 36 means 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 2 3 3s are. Right frame factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Next 18, 2 9s are, 3 3s are. That is 2 into 3 into 3. For 12, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. 2 into 2 into 3. For 6, 2 into 3. Group 2, this 3, and this one and this one, this and this, these two, this and this. How many groups 2s are there? 1, 2, 3. Then you can take 3 2s outside. Next, 1 group, 2 group, 3 group. Next you can take 3 outside. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 27. If you multiply like this, you will get the answer is 216 centimeter square. What is the area? 216 centimeters square. And next they are asking to find out the length of the altitude corresponding to largest side of the triangle. So largest side is how much here? 30. That is area of triangle half into base into height. We have to find out height value. With the base 30. Area of triangle we already find out. 216 into cross multiply 2 divided by base value is how much? 30 here into height. If you cancel 30 to 16 means it will go 15 to 15s are, to 1s are, to 18s are. Again it will cancel by 3. 3 5s are, 3 3s are 9, 1 3 6 are. Here H value is equal to 36 2s are 72 divided by 5. 72 divided by 5. So if you cancel this, 5 1s are, 2 is remaining, 5 4s are 2. Again 5 4s are 14.4. Height is how much? 14.4 centimeter. So we get height is 14.4. Here we have to consider base value is 30 because we have to consider base as largest side. So already we know how to find area, and base if you put 30 means you can interchange, find the value of height by using this formula. In the second problem, the length of the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 3:4:5. Find the area of triangle and its perimeter is 144. They are given perimeter 144. So lengths of the side 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to, what is the perimeter? 144. 7 12x 144. X is equal to 144 by 12. What is the x value? 12. Then you can find all the sides. 3x means 3 into 12, 36. Next 4x means 3 into 12, 48. Next 5x means 5 into 12, that is 60. 36, 48 and 60. Now you can apply the Heron's formula to find area of triangle S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So we want to find semi-perimeter. First we have to find semi-perimeter. If you add all 60, 48, 108, 108 plus 6, again 144. So S is equal to 36 plus 48 plus 60 divided by 2, that is 144 divided by 2, that is 71. Sorry, 72. 72. Here you can apply S value is 72. 72 minus 36. 72 minus 48. 72 minus 60. So you can simplify 72 into, in 72 36 will goes means 36. 72 48 will goes means 24 into 12. 76 12 will goes means 12. So now you can write the prime factors of 72. 2 3s are, 2 6s are, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 36 means 2 into 2, 3 into 3. 2 into 2, 3 into 3. 24 means we already 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. 2 into 2 into 3. 12 means 2 into 2 into 3. So check. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Next step. 2 into 2 into 2. Sorry. So first group, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth group. There are 5 groups of 2s are there. You can take 5 2s out. Next up, 3, 1 group. Three decent, take outside. If you multiply all those things, you will get the answer 864. 864. Like this, we are going to solve the problems based on Heron's formula. Thank you for watching.